Hey guys, watch me unbox, set up, and prepare my hydroponic garden. I've been wanting one of these for some time now, and then on Amazon Prime Day, Amazon had these for the low, so I was like, this is the perfect opportunity to grab it. So as you guys can see now, I'm just opening the box. I was kind of shocked because I thought the box would be a lot bigger, but once I opened it, I realized it had the little protector foam, whatever you want to call it, inside of it. Then on top of the box, you see it has the system user manual. Oh, so just let me warn you too, with this product, the seeds did not come with it. There are some that comes with the seeds, but this one in particular did not have the seeds. But I just ordered the seeds off of Amazon, but you could get seeds from like Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever store of your choice. Okay, as you can see right now, I got the product outside the box, and I'm just removing all the extra shipping, packaging that came with it. And right now, I'm just showing you guys the seed selection that I purchased off of Amazon. Okay, so I decided to be a good steward and actually read the manual this time. I usually don't. So the first page of the manual shows you what items came included with your purchase. And then also it shows you on the next page how to adjust the height of your lamp. So the first step in setting up your garden is to lift up the adjustable lamp so that you're able to take the lid off of the tank so that you could get the inside of your tank set up. Okay, so once you remove the lid off your tank, there are certain items inside the tank. One, you have the sponge holders. Then you have the sponges themselves, which basically helps absorb the water, as well as the lids to this. And then you'll also have the power cord adapter. So this right here will keep your lights in your water tank pumping. And then your garden also comes with these little white sticks, which are used to help stir up the food inside of the water. So now I am ready to set up my water tank. So my first step is to get the power cord and get that untangled and get it connected to the garden itself. This will get our water tank pumping as well as our lamps working for our garden. It's just a simple plug and play, and then it's all good to go. So next step was to make sure I mixed the concoction up properly for the plant food. And here's the 2 containers that came with it. Then I mix it with water. And then I'm starting to fill up my tank. So I just keep pouring until it reached the max level. So I just keep pouring and pouring and pouring and pouring. Oh yeah, and pour until it reaches its max level. So now I'm going to show you guys what assorted fruit and vegetable seeds I ordered for my garden. And these also came off of Amazon. I will have them linked down below. And as you can see, these things are sealed so tightly. It took me forever to open these up. So first up, we have the dwarf peas. Those look good. And then we have red peppers. We have the wild strawberries. Then we have the carrots up next. We have the radishes. Then we have the cucumbers, which I love. And then we also have hot peppers. I'm excited for those. So next you have me showing you the sponges, which are what is going to absorb the water from the tank in order to get your seeds to have the proper amount of water they need to flourish and grow into plants that they're going to be. So this step is fairly easy. You just take your sponge and then drop your seeds into the sponge. And then you'll take your sponge holder, which are like, they could be clear or they could be white depending on what garden you get. Just drop the sponge in there into the sponge holder, and then you just drop your sponge holder into your tank. And then you'll just continue to repeat these steps until all of the slots in your garden are full. My garden actually has 12 slots. Some have 8 and some have 6. But I chose to get the 12 one because it had the best deal. So now that all the seeds have been planted, I am looking in my book to see what selection I need to make. What I did on my cups, I actually labeled them C for cucumber and P for peppers. I hit the power button to turn it on, and then it automatically sets it up for vegetables. So my pump got the working, and as you can see, the lights are on, and I am super excited about this because I've been wanting to do this for so long. So now I want to give you a little update. This is what it looks like after 2 days. Here is what it looks like after 4 days. Those cucumbers were sprouting and everything was starting to grow. But the peppers, on the other hand, were looking a little sad, but patience. That's what I keep telling myself. And here we are 7 days later. Look at the cucumbers growing. So the peppers were taking too long, so I just swapped those out for peas. Well, thank you. That concludes our video today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And be sure to tune back in for the updates on the garden itself. And also, all items that were purchased for this video today will be in the description box. Thank you so much.